we're going to save more money by making the Queen's favorite dishwasher spot stopper. You're going to take a labeled container with a lid. To that, you'll add 1 cup of baking soda. Then you'll put in 1/2 cup of borax. Now, you buy borax in the laundry additive aisle. We're simply going to mix this up well. Store it under your sink with a teaspoon. When you do the dishes along with your dishwasher detergent, add 1 teaspoon of spot stopper. That's all it's going to take. Quick, easy, and inexpensive. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.